everybody, and thank you for joining me today as I'm going to be sharing with you a 7-day water detox. This is a very easy and simple detox to do because all you're doing is drinking a ton of water for 7 days, and there you have it. Now, before I share the recipe with you, I wanted to just dive into a few things about a detox that you should probably know if you don't already. What is a detox? A detox is a way to flush toxins out of your body. It can also improve your overall health and even aid in weight loss. Now, your body already has a natural way of flushing toxins out of your body, but a way to encourage the natural flushing of toxins out of your system is by drinking a lot of water. Now, some say just drink the water, you don't need to do an actual detox, and you'll get the same results. But some people really think that doing a detox, infusing your water with different ingredients, can increase the toxins and the removal of it. I personally like detoxes. I feel like it really does encourage the toxins to get out of my system. Now, let me say something about drinking water. Drinking a lot of water is so good for you. I noticed that when I drink a lot of water, my body just feels refreshed. I actually kind of feel like I have a little more energy on days compared to days that I don't drink a lot of water. When I don't drink a lot of water, my body will automatically just start feeling blah. I don't like that feeling, and it also reminds me,
Carla, you need to drink water. Like, what are you doing to yourself?
Also, one more thing about drinking water. It can also be an appetite suppressor. So if you like to snack a lot and you've just been like, oh,
I really want to stop,
drink more water. I was reading somewhere probably like a month ago that if you are feeling the desire to snack, like your body's saying, I'm hungry, you're probably actually not hungry. Your body may just be craving hydration. So the next time you have that craving to get a snack, just grab that water nearest you and drink it up. Now, when you hear the word detox, you may think,
ooh, I can lose some weight if I do a detox.
This is like a yes and no kind of thing. Some people can lose weight while doing a detox because they're actually doing a very strict diet. So here's the thing. If you are on a healthy diet, you're limiting your carbs, and you are limiting the intake of sugar, you are bound to already lose some weight if you're doing a strict diet like that. Well, if you combine that with doing a detox, a water detox, you are more than likely going to lose weight. So there are some articles I was reading about this detox I'm about to share with you. And I had about 3 different ones I was reading because I wanted to just get an idea of what each person felt about this water detox. And one of them did mention that you do need to have a good diet while doing a detox, or you're most likely not going to lose weight. So if you do want to lose weight while doing a water detox, or this detox specifically, I would do a good strict diet. And I know that's not really fun. I did not do a strict diet. I am not about the strict diet thing. Like, I already do strive to eat healthy, but you know, I have my cheat meals. I have my times where I could care less. I'm gonna go enjoy food. So I did do that on maybe 1 or 2 of the days while doing this detox, and I know. I should have been a lot better about my diet while on this detox, but I still had some great health benefits while I was on this detox. So, with no further ado, let me share with you the recipe. Okay, here is the recipe. Ingredient number 1, cranberry juice. Now, I'm not talking about cocktail juice. That is not the way to go. Cocktail juice, just in general, is full of sugars that you don't need, a lot of other ingredients that are just, it's not going to do the trick for you. I found just the 100% cranberry juice. It wasn't the pure cranberry juice. Now, the pure cranberry juice is what you really want because it's going to be really bitter. It's not going to have anything added. It is just cranberry. That's the way to go. I couldn't find it for some reason, but you'll probably have better luck than I did. I think I just looked in the wrong area of the store. But if you can, get the organic pure cranberry juice. It is in a glass bottle, so hopefully you can find that. It's gonna have better benefits than probably any other kind. Ingredient number 2 is lemon juice. Now you can buy the 100% lemon juice that's in the bottle, or you can just buy a couple lemons. I went the lemon route. I wanted some fresh lemons so I could get the pure lemon juice right then and there. Ingredient number 3, this is Dandelion Root Tea. Now, you may have a hard time finding this one. I could not find it. Like, it just was not working for me. So what I found instead was a detox herbal tea. It is organic, so that's good. It has dandelion root, dandelion leaf, as well as burdock root. And dandelion root has some really great health benefits to it, and I'm gonna share that with you soon about all the ingredients. If you can't find the dandelion root tea, try and find some sort of tea that has dandelion root. This is like a detox herbal tea supplement, so it did the trick. So those are the ingredients that you are going to be putting in water. You can do filtered water, any water. I did spring water just because I wanted to have some nice fresh water for the detox. You're probably wondering,
Carla, how the heck do I put this together? How much of each ingredient do I put in it?
well, here you go. Share with you the benefits of doing this detox. I need to look at my sheet so that I can actually give you the correct information. Cranberry juice is so good for you. I had known before that cranberry juice can be helpful in a lot of areas. Cranberry juice has a lot of antioxidants, which is great. It helps to flush your kidneys and your intestines from toxins. So overall, it just helps to promote your digestive health. Now, lemons are high in vitamin C, and they support your digestion, your kidney, and your liver function, which all of those combined can help in weight loss. Okay, the last one is Dandelion Root Tea. Now, this one, I really liked the benefits about this. This is supposed to improve your digestion. It can aid in weight loss, purify your blood, eases bloating and achy joints. It's high in vitamins and minerals. So that one just has like everything. It's great. It's wonderful. If you want to know more about each of these ingredients, just look it up on Google. That's what I did because I wanted to know more about each of the ingredients and just find out for yourself what each of them are like. So how did this detox affect me personally? Well, as I said, I didn't eat the best diet I could have while on this, but I think I may have lost 1 pound. It is said that you can lose like 5 pounds while on this detox. So That didn't happen to me, but that's okay. That wasn't like my focus. My focus was like, let's get some good benefits from all these ingredients, see what this does for my body, and I was happy with the results. So what happened with me is I had been having a lot of bloat a couple of weeks before doing this, and I was like,
oh gosh, it's probably because I just need to do a detox. I need to clean my system out.
And it did. It definitely cleaned my system out. I didn't have like any bloat the first few days. It was awesome. Like, it was great. The last few days I did though, and I'll explain why, because I want to tell you some side effects to doing a detox. But yeah, so I really enjoyed doing the detox. I felt like it cleaned me out. It made me feel good. I love it because it tastes good. It's really easy to do because you just gotta drink the water. Like, it's not that bad. And I know some people don't like the taste of water. I'm fine with the flavor. I try to drink a lot of water all the time, but having like all those ingredients in the water definitely made it taste so much better. Like, I felt myself wanting to reach for it a lot because it tasted so good to me. And now that I'm off of it, it's like,
oh man, I kind of miss like all those ingredients infused in there.
Let me tell you about the side effects you may have while doing a detox. While doing this detox, or even any detox you do. I got my handy dandy paper right here because I wanted to make sure I get the correct information to you. But some common side effects that you may have is bowel disruption, gas and bloating, skin irritation, headaches, fatigue, stomach cramps, etc. There's quite a few symptoms you may have, but I don't want that to make you go,
okay, no, I'm not gonna do a detox. I don't want to have side effects like that. Ew.
Honestly, if you have side effects, it's rather normal to have them, which I was rather relieved since I was having some side effects that I did not like, and I was like,
what the heck is going on?
But then I read that when you have side effects during a detox, it's really normal, and it means that the detox is actually working. Here's a reason why you may have side effects to doing a detox. It's because your body already has adapted to the toxins within your body. So when you are putting things inside of you that's trying to get rid of those, your body is trying to resist it. That's why you're gonna have some side effects. Let me tell you a few side effects I had. This is probably TMI, but hey, I'm just trying to tell you what you could go through like I did. You're definitely gonna have like bowel disruption. It's gonna clean you out. Some people kind of feel sick to their stomach while doing a detox. I didn't really feel sick to my stomach at all. Gas and bloating. That is definitely gonna happen. I don't see why it wouldn't happen to anyone doing a detox. But that's what I was really struggling with. My day 5 and 6, I was struggling with a lot of gas and bloat, and I was just like, what's happening? Because one of the reasons why I was doing this is because I wanted to, feel a relief of bloat since I had been struggling with it for quite a bit. So I read up on it, and it says that during a detox, your body is trying to come to a neutral state, which ends up causing the bloat. But when you have a bloat, it's just another way of your toxins trying to release themselves. Yeah, which is a little weird, but I was like,
oh, okay, it's just one of the side effects. Cool.
But by like day 7, the last day I was on it, my bloat wasn't even there anymore. So I feel like it was just like 2 days where my body was like angry at me. And then the 7th day, I was like, okay, cool, this is great. Yeah, you may run into some side effects that you're not really gonna like, but just remember, if you have side effects, it means that your detox is working. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I was able to give you a little information about a detox and what it is and what it may do to your body. Try out the recipe. If it does nothing for you, like in weight loss area, hopefully it's gonna do some good for the rest of your body. Enjoy the ingredients in it. Hopefully you're gonna like the taste of it. I'm also putting a couple articles down below in the description that I wanted to share with you about the recipe that 3 people wrote about, and I liked what they had to say. So if you want to know more about this recipe, read up on those articles, see for yourself if this is for you. It may not be the kind of detox for you, but it's super easy, super simple, and it tastes great. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.